What up, y'all? Humble Among here with a special unboxing video. Darby O'Trill's The Tomb is here, nicely labeled with a "Don't Rip" on there. Darby did warn me that to be careful when I open this before we went on the stream on Sunday. Go check the Darby O'Trill and Devereaux interview that we did. So I have to be careful not to tear what's in there. Basically, I know that he gave me either a lyric sheet or the artwork. He might have given me the artwork. So let me actually use the little computer here. I have to do some surgery this time. Ooh.
I'm nervous.
Ooh, yeah, there's the edge of it. Did I already tear it? Oh, I hope I didn't. Might have gotten the corner just a little bit. Oh, this one's a little difficult.
You need a sharper blade.
Yeah, this rusty razor isn't working. Are we rolling?
Yep.
All right, continue the operation to... Yeah, there we go. Ooh. Oh, that was just the plastic, thank God. I don't think I hit... Oh, I just barely hit a little bit of the paper in that corner. It looks like it's a lyric sheet, though. I can already see it looks like writing. But which lyric sheet is it? I've already seen a couple of other people showing off their deliveries, showing off that they had gotten lyric sheets. Please, I hope I'm not cutting something right now. All right. Did I botch it? All right, I didn't do anything too bad. Yeah, definitely a lyric sheet. Harvesting Blood for Absolutely No Reason, track 4. So check that out, y'all. Actual handwritten lyric sheet from Darby. It's pretty fresh. Very honored to have that, by the way. Thank you so much, Darby. But the main event, what we really got up in this bitch, is The Tomb. Couple of copies left. I think if you hit up Darby, he's got a couple copies left for sale. So right now what we're going to do is I'm going to go and we're going to listen to this. And I'm going to give you my initial reaction to listening to the album after we bump it. I just realized y'all probably want to see me actually open up the CD too. See the inside and whatnot. So let's do that real quick. By the way, shouts out to the Sid Scissors here.
Who's Sid?
All right, let's check the inside out. Yeah. I think he did show this off on the stream.
He did.
Shouts out to Darby O'Trill, Swamp Society. It says dedicated to Proto and Da Junta this time, by the way. All right, we're going to go listen to this shit, and I'll be back just to give my initial first reaction, quick review. All right, so we just listened to The Tomb in its entirety. First time listening to it all the way through, and my review is fucking 5 out of 5 hatchets, 5 out of 5 butcher knives, however you want to rate it. My favorite Darby O'Trill project, definitely. I want to talk about a couple of songs here, though. Track 2, Vampiro wrestled with ICP and the Misfits, and that's hella fresh. So many fucking dope wrestling bars. The guitar on this shit is so fucking dope. Definitely one of my favorite tracks on the fucking album. Every track on the album is fucking awesome. Straight up. It's a fucking killer project. My favorite Darby project, straight up. But I'm going to talk about a couple of these standout joints, because I'm marking out over a couple of these songs. First of all, I love the Violent J samples, the Esham samples, all the audio samples that Darby put out throughout the album, especially the ones on track 6 Orange Bloodstains on the Floor of My Kitchen. That's the track that plays when you go to the Bandcamp page. So I already heard this song, and I was marking out over it the first time I heard it, so I guess technically this is the second time I've heard it. Fucking maybe my favorite song on the album, I was saying, until, by the way, I gotta give a special shout out to Still Hoeing in 2K Forever, which is fucking hilarious. But my favorite song, I think, maybe on the album, it's definitely tied with Orange Bloodstains, I think, at this point, is Idiots at a Comic Convention with Shaggy the Airhead. I don't know what to say other than just listen to that shit when it comes out. I don't know if I should spoil it, but I mean, I guess fuck the ops is all I could say. God damn. Darby killed that shit. Shaggy killed that shit. It's a fucking awesome song. Probably my favorite track on there. I Puked on My Brand New Truies has an immensely heavy bass. And the bonus track, The Barista at the Coffee Junt Never Gets My Name Right, is on there as well. If you got the CD version. Fucking awesome project, man. Great job, Darby. Thank you for the lyric sheet. Once again, show that off one more time. I believe this is the single, I think we were saying off camera too, right? When we were listening to it.
Yeah.
I think you did say that. I think I did nail that corner with my razor blade. My bad. You warned me and I still did it. All right, I love y'all. Whoop whoop. Thank you, Darby, for the lyric sheet. I really appreciate that. Great fucking job once again. Love the album. October 31st, The Tomb, dropping on all streaming gimmicks, all streaming services. Go check that shit out. Make sure you hit that like gimmick. Make sure you hit that subscribe gimmick. I love y'all. Whoop whoop. Have a good night.